After watching the process of China and Germany competing in manufacturing aircraft springs, I finally understand how each country produces these springs. First, let's look at the German method. Once the steel rods are secured, the bending machine starts up. The thick steel rods seem as easy to bend as rolling a corn barrel in front of a 1,000-ton bending machine. Making such giant springs doesn't require a lot of manpower. There are only 3 workers in the workshop. They don't need to exert themselves, they just wait for the aircraft springs to take shape. Plus, the workers don't have to work overtime and can easily earn tens of thousands of euros. This is the benefit of high-level mechanization, which makes heavy industry easy and efficient. After the giant spring is bent, the worker controls the bending machine to rotate the bending roller in the opposite direction, pushing the formed spring forward and out of the bending platform. This is how the aircraft's shock-absorbing spring is shaped. Then, using specialized lifting tools, the giant spring is hoisted up and moved to the quenching area. The quenching process has strict temperature requirements. The workers, facing the heat radiation, continuously measure the spring's temperature with a point temperature gun. Only when the spring's temperature drops to an appropriate range can it be placed in the quenching pool. At this point, Germany has completed the manufacturing of the aircraft spring. The industrial gap in Germany is indeed significant. In terms of the manufacturing process of aircraft springs, China's machinery seems a bit behind, with more manpower involved. We can't say we are far ahead in industrial aspects anymore. Next, let's take a look at the process. The bending equipment is started, and the roller rotates counterclockwise, slowly resetting to push the giant spring out of the bending platform. Once the roller is reset, the workers rush in with homemade iron hooks to pull the glowing red spring from the roller onto a flatbed. Immediately, the young and strong workers spring into action, pulling the giant spring towards the quenching area. When they arrive next to the quenching pool, 2 masters in blue work uniforms lift a lifting rod, but their clumsy teammate struggles to hook the lifting hook onto the rod, drawing disdain from a Mediterranean uncle. Finally, a young worker in heat-resistant clothing quickly places the hook in position, allowing the 2 masters to escape the heat. Amidst the chaotic yet orderly operation, the red-hot aircraft spring is transferred to the sloping area, and the giant spring is plunged into the cooling pool. Thus, China has also completed the manufacturing of the aircraft spring. So, which country has the better process?